aking camera. Magluluto tayo guys ng chicken and rice. Ayan, pinirito ko na yung chicken para mag golden brown siya. Then we're gonna put 1 stick of butter. Wow, 1 stick. Wow.
You have a fan watching you. You have a
Yeah.
one of your fans.
Max is my fan. Look, he's watching me. Look at that. Hi, Mac. Hi, Max. Are they kissing? You kissing them? Ooh.
He thinks it's something to eat.
Ooh. He's watching me. I'm cooking. He's my #1 fan. Mama is cooking. Hey, sunog na yung ano natin. Oh, sunog na. Save mo lang. Sunog na guys. Ano pala to guys? Ayan. Blend vegetables. May okra pa ako dito, honey. I have 2 okra right here. So, yan guys, and sunog yung ating butter kasi pag yung butter na ginamit ko, pinagprituhan ko ng manok yun, ayun. Ano lang siya, hindi siya cook ha, light brown lang siya. Brown ko lang yung skin niya. Masarap yung guys, yung ulam mo, pag luto talaga yung pagka-fry mo na ganyan, masarap siya kasi pepper and salt lang siyang nilagay ko. So, masarap siya. Oh my god guys! Honey, I forgot. Guys, did you see? Did you see guys what? I have a shorts. If you notice it.
Those are my underwear.
Hindi nyo makikita, hindi nyo mapapansin pero underwear yan ni asawa ko kay wala man akong nakalimutan ko magdala ng pambahay. Nakalimutan ko rin bumili. Pumunta naman ako ng store. Nakalimutan ko. Kaya naka-boxer po tayo guys. I really forgot about that, you know. So where is my rice?
You should have got some at Marshall's, you know.
Yeah, I forgot. I walk around there looking what I can buy, but I really forgot about. I lost my rice cooker. So, isutay-sutayin natin muna to guys. Tapos ilagay natin yung natin. Hindi yung puno eh. Kulang yata yung rice natin. Lagdagan natin konti. Kasi hindi siya puno na pagka scoop ko. Then, ininit ko na yung ating oven for 380. Actually, yeah, 380 with, 380. Then bake for 1 hour.
380.
Yeah.
Really?
Supposed to go what?
375?
Yeah.
350? Oh,
No, I don't expect that. Then we're gonna put the cream of chicken. Cream of celery, I told you, honey, I bought you last time 2 can each. Except the cream of mushroom, I get 1 pack for 4 cans. Cream of celery, cream of chicken, and cream of mushroom. Cream of mushroom. Ginagawa ko po tong soup, guys. Iniinit ko siya, then add more, a little bit of water. Ang sarap niya. Minsan yan lang yung aking dinner. Cream of mushroom. Just add 1 can and add half can of water. Then, we're gonna add the water later. Ayan. Nakita nyo guys, nag-brown na yung ating rice. Nagisa na yung rice natin, nag-brown na. So, lagyan po natin siya ng tubig. Two and a half.
After Tony's monster gold win, Parker is now 470 ounces behind.
We're small down here. Got the 4 clamps again. Yeah, finally. Oh.
Okay, we'll keep Roxanne going all week?
We were, yeah. Sounds good. It'll get you Tyson. But yeah, it's a little bit. But it'll Tyson's with you all time. I'm disappointed in you guys. You didn't raise it right.
Last week, Parker's 3 wash
Then,
running
we're gonna add a chicken powder.
ounces.
That's a big block.
Now, he has 4 wash plants running at
Onion
full capacity
powder.
and wants at least 600.
Come on, Brandon. Ready? Yeah.
Bob has been running in the bridge cut, where it's averaging 150 ounces a week.
20, 40, 60, 100, 30,
Garlic powder.
22.55.
A little bit of turmeric.
Hey, Tyson. Ready?
For the first time, Parker has 2 plants sluicing the huge Golden Mile pay pile. First up, his oldest
Then
wash
salt.
Okay, Brad, here we go. 20, 40, 100, 110, 130, 133.15.
Yeah.
Make sure guys, huwag marami masyado yung asin kasi maalat na po yung mga dilata na nilagay natin. Yung nilagay natin ng mga dilata, maalat na po yung may mga asin na po yun.
40, 50, 70, 90, 177.05.
Then we're gonna stir. Masarap ang bango.
Parker's goal this week
Nakita nyo yan?
is
Butter po yan, nag-ano.
needs to deliver over
Sarap niya.
137
Ang bango niya guys. Yummy. So ngayon guys, i-transfer natin doon.
Yeah, 20,
Kaya i-bake na natin to.
100, 120, 130,
Nakikita niyo?
140.
Teka lang, baka hindi nyo nakikita eh. Huwag nyo nang pansinin yung aming kalat ha, kaya maliit lang itong ating apartment nito. Nandito tayo sa kabila eh. So, yan po guys yung ating. Oops. Ayan.
That fourth plant makes a world of difference. It really does.
Then, of course, hugasan niya.
nearly $29.4 million
Then, we're gonna put on top our chicken.
per month in a
One. Hindi ko na to ni-slice.
position with
2,
36 ounces
3, and 4.
We just need to keep this until,
Okay.
I know it's been a holiday. This is
Then we're gonna put this in the oven for 45 minutes or 1 hour. Ay, we're gonna cover first. Wait. We're gonna put in the oven for 45 minutes and take out and uncover and put back in the oven and put back into the oven and bake another 15 to 30 minutes. So, mag-golden brown yung pot niya. Yung pot niya. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Mainert. Oops. Ay. Takot na po ako guys sa ano. So, timer, honey.
Sure.
Yan po guys, yung oven natin, wala po yung salamin dyan. Kaya hindi mo makikita, hindi mo siya binubuksan. Okay guys, see you later. Maghugas muna tayo. Ano? O sige, sasama ko tayo maghugas. Gusto niyo, samahan niyo ako maghugas. Yan. Na, magmamarinate din tayo ng chicken for tomorrow. Yan. Magmarinate muna tayo. Teka lang. Hindi. Ayan guys, magmamarinate tayo ng chicken for tomorrow. Ibibake natin to tomorrow because tomorrow is Easter Sunday. Sa atin is ang pagkabuhay. Tama ba? Uy. Ang fresh ng lemon, oh. Pero maraming lemon doon sa bahay ng Diyos tawa ko dati. Yung sabyanan niya, ano, tinatapon lang nila. Lemon. Ngayon, yan. Masarap to guys, patis. Pero wala akong patis, kaya asin na lang gagamitin natin. I have no patis. Kaya asin na lang gamitin natin. Wala po kasi akong ano dito eh. Ang dami. Naman talaga. Did you start the timer, honey?
Yes.
Tuyo konti lang guys. Then we're gonna put ketchup on it and Sprite. Marinate natin guys para ano siya. Ang sarap ng Sprite. Sayang to, lagyan natin ng Sprite. Nasa lugulugin natin. Ayan. Hindi nyo ba nakikita yun? Siya nung dati pa. So we have a new ketchup here. Let's see. Hi, make me. How are you, make me? Sunod-sunod yung aking anak na si Hi, make me. What is it, make me? You hungry, Max? You hungry? You hungry? You eat? You eat ice cream? Yan guys, i-ano natin to. Sarap niya. Takpan natin. I-bake natin yan bukas. So now, tapos na tayo lagkit ng yung may tumutulo ba sa sahig. Hindi pa ako nagmap, maya ako magmap guys, kay pag after ko magluto ay ganun. Ayun guys, may tayo donuts. Gusto niyan donuts? May Easter siya, decoration. Bukas muna tayo guys. May dishwasher naman dito. Ito lang. Prepare ko maghugas. By hand. Tapos magawa tayo bukas ng cucumber corn salad, which is ginawa ko na po siya. Masarap siya, kaya gawa kayo ulit bukas. Ipares natin sa ating chicken. Shout out guys. Hindi niyo ako nakikita. Yung ulo ko hindi niyo nakikita. O yan pala eh. Madali maglubat yung aking ano, GoPro. Order nga ako ng ano, ng battery. At saka charger niyan. Wala kasi akong charger niyan. Sina-charge ko through ano, yung GoPro mismo ang sina-charge ko, yung camera mismo. Kaya pag naglubat yan, hindi ko na siya magagamit kasi kailangan naka-charge. So wala akong charger niyan sa ano. Yung sa battery mismo, wala akong charger. Wala akong kasama yun, hindi nila namin. Wala siya kasama charger. Matagal na yan guys. Hindi ko lang ginagamit. Ginamit ko lang ilang beses. Pinakamad na ako mag-ano kasi ano eh. Transfer pa kasi. Matrabaho ba? Hindi ba katulad sa phone na diretso lang. Ano mo yun? Diretso lang ano. Diretso lang post. Yan kasi may transfer pa. May ano ka. May ganang-ganon na ito eh. Wala man akong ano dyan. So ayun lang guys. See you later. Pag naluto na yung ating ano. Guys, we're gonna turn on the for 15 minutes more without cover. So guys, let's see. Oh wow. Oh wow, honey. Uy.
Is it okay?
Oh yeah.
Is it burnt?
Look at that, guys. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. It's so delicious looking. You see that, guys? Let's eat.